So now we will talk about language processor. Language processor means what? In your computer, what happened? Your computer only understands machine language. The machine language is 0 and 1. So now you will think that why? What happens? The machine is only understanding 0 and 1, but Mrs. teaching in English. How is it possible? So it is possible because there are language processors in your computer. And what is the work of this language processor? This language processor converts the high level language into machine language. What is a high level language? High level language is the English language in which we are writing or in which we are talking or which we are understanding. So work of this language processor is to convert our English into machine language, that is either 0 or 1. Okay, so that is the meaning of लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर एंड दीज लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर्स आर प्री इंस्टॉल्ड. वो क्या होता है? पहले से होता है. और इसका काम क्या होता है? द लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर विल help to interact the user and the computer. If there will be no language processor, then we cannot communicate to each other. And the examples are compiler, interpreter and assembler. These are few examples of language processor. This language processor are very important because most softwares are written in high level language. Means all the software को हम लोग किस में लिखते हैं? इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं. तो उसको it is very necessary that we convert into machine language because computer only understand 0 and 1, that is binary language or that is machine language. So these were the three types of system software. First was operating system, second was utility software and the third was language processor. So now we will talk about the application software. So here we are once again we have seen that these software are divided into two. System software, we have talked about operating system, we have talked about utility software, where this utility software was again divided into four. That was antivirus software, disk defragmenter software, backup software and compression software, and we have talked about language processor. So we have finished the system software. Now we will talk about the application software, and here we can see this application software is divided into two, that is general purpose application software and customized application software. So let us move forward. Now application software. What is application software? Application software are basically developed to perform a specific task. Means only one task can be done from this application software. Like if you are using MS Word, then you can only type in MS Word. You cannot play songs in MS Word. Similarly, this is a PowerPoint presentation. I cannot play songs here or I cannot watch videos here, but I can make only presentation. So that is the meaning of application software. This application software is again divided into two based on purpose. मतलब कि किस तरह का काम आपको करना है, उस basis पे this application software has been divided into two. The first one is general purpose application software and second is customized. Now very clear from name, general means anyone can use. Customized means only specific person can use. That is the meaning of customized. General means anyone can use. So let us move forward. So general purpose application software, these software are the same set of tasks for large number of users. Means many people can use these softwares. It's not like that only you can use or only I can use. No, it is made for large group of numbers. Many people can use it. And what are the types of these general purpose software? They are word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, multimedia software, database management system software, desktop publishing software and graphics software. So these are the types of general purpose application software. So we will see their examples. We will only talk about the examples so that it will be clear to you all. So let us move forward. Word processor software, those softwares, again I am telling we are only talking about softwares only. Those software which helps you to create anything. from where you can create anything, from where you can write anything, where you can save anything. So they are known as word processor software, and the examples are MS Word, Word Perfect, WordPad. These are the example of word processor software. Now, spreadsheet software. What is the meaning of spreadsheet software? These softwares are helpful in doing the large number of calculations, and they are basically data based. कैसा based होता है? They are basically data based, and then only we are able to do large calculation. और उसका example क्या है? MS Excel, LibreOffice. These are the example of spreadsheet software. Now next is presentation software. Now here I have made this presentation from the presentation software only, that is PowerPoint presentation. In this presentation software we can add animations, we can add colors, we can add pictures, we can add voice, we can add videos. These are the things which we can insert in presentation software. Basically the companies or the multinational companies, they give them to prepare the presentation. Now let us move forward. Multimedia, very clear from the multimedia means the software, those softwares which helps to play the music, play video game and edit the pictures. And the examples are Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player and ETC. These are the examples of multimedia software. Now here we have the database management system, that is DBMS. What is the use of DBMS? Now what happens in your school, like there are 2000 students. So if you only want the students, those who all have the name from A, then how you will take it out? You can take out from database management system. Means this helps to manage any system. किसी भी system को, किसी भी organization को ये manage करने के लिए helpful होता है. Means you can take out any record any time. So from that you can take out the records, and they are basically database. Means all the data are entered in MS Access, and in the fraction of seconds we can get those information. So that is the meaning of database management system, and the example are MS Access, Oracle, and here are many more examples of database management system. You will be studying this in class 8. Now desktop publishing software. This desktop publishing software is used to publish the books, means arrange the text and graphics into professional looking documents such as magazine, न्यूज़लेटर्स एंड पोस्टर्स. अगर ये सब बनाना हो तो हम लोग किसका यूज करेंगे? डेस्कटॉप, DTP, that is desktop publishing software, and the examples are Microsoft Publisher, Adobe, InDesign. Now here we have the graphic software. So it is very clear. See the example, that is MS Paint, Adobe, Photoshop. These are the example of graphic software. These graphic software is used to create and edit images such as photographs, posters, charts and logos. These are the softwares by which you can edit the pictures. Means now also you would be editing the picture in your mobile phones. तो वो कौन सा होता है? They are the graphic software जिससे आप pictures को क्या कर सकते हो? Edit कर सकते हो. Desktop से picture edit नहीं कर सकते हो. We can publish the books or give them professional look. This was all about general purpose application software. These were the examples.